Good evening, learners! Another Tagalog video lesson. We are going to do something different tonight because on this video, I am going to share words and phrases that we use or we say in Tagalog to express anger, annoyance, or frustration. So, start na tayo. Ano ba? If someone keeps bugging you or someone keeps pestering you, ano ba? We also say, pwede ba? Oh, please, give me a break. Also, I just want to add that with this one, it could also mean, is it okay? Or, is it possible? I'm going to use your phone. Pwede ba? So, kailangan nyo talagang pakinggan yung tono ng nagsasalita. Pwede ba? Palagi na lang. Palagi na lang. Every single time. Hindi nakakatuwa. It's not funny. Hindi nakakatuwa. Ano na naman? Ano na naman? What is it again? Siyempre, I just wanna add my favorite one. Ay, ewan. Whatever. Or, ewan ko sa'yo. Ewan ko sa'yo. Again, depende sa tono because a softer, ewan ko sa'yo, could mean, it's up to you or I'll let you decide. Where are we going? Jollibee or Burger King? Ewan ko sa'yo. That's up to you. Or wherever you wanna go, I'll let you decide. It's your call. Ewan ko sa'yo. If someone keeps talking nonsense or you just wanna dismiss the topic, ewan ko sa'yo. Whatever. Another one you can use to express annoyance is Putra's favorite. Ay, naku. 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 Or, ay, naku. Late ka na, you are already in the car and you forget the keys. Ay, naku. Bahala ka. Bahala ka. You're showing or you're teaching someone what to do and they're not listening, so you finally give up. Bahala ka. Okay, fine, you're on your own. Ano na? So this is Mudra's favorite one. One time, she asked me to put salon pass on her bag and she was all set and I wasn't there yet. Ano na? Tapos. It could mean end of story or it could mean yung literal nitong translation, which is finish, done. Example is, let's say that someone is making a big deal of doing something and you couldn't take it anymore, so you get up on your feet and you did it yourself. Tapos. Done. Finish. So, ayan lang. At dyan na nagtatapos ang ating video lesson ngayong gabi. So, that's all guys. That's where our Tagalog video lesson ends tonight. See you on the next video.